Hey guys, so Ulefone has finally launched the Armor 27 series, and the series consists of the Armor 27 Pro and the Armor 27T Pro. Both models offer a robust build, impressive specifications, and a range of features designed for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals who demand durability and performance. Ulefone is also coming up with a discount sale very soon. It's going to commence on the 19th of August and end on the 25th. So for any one of you that wants to get the Armor 27 series, either the 27 Pro or the 27T Pro, then make sure to use the links in the video description for more details about the upcoming event. Anyway, let's quickly explore the top features of the Armor 27 series. Now, I'm going to point out the major difference between the Armor 27 Pro and the Armor 27T Pro, or rather the only difference. The 27 Pro features only a night vision camera, while the 27T Pro features a night vision and a thermal sensor. The thermal sensor is exclusive to the 27T Pro, so make sure to have that in mind. Every other details of both devices are the same. So let's explore the details. So the models are rated IP68 and IP69K. They are also military grade standard 810H certified, and according to Ulefone, both devices can survive being submerged in water with a depth of up to 2 meters for 30 minutes and can withstand drops of up to 2 meters onto concrete. The models features a large and vivid 6.78-inch 120Hz IPS LCD display that ensures a smooth and enjoyable viewing experience. Under the hood, they are powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset paired with 12 GB of RAM that promises capable performance for everyday tasks and multitasking. And the camera department, the devices features a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 50MP main sensor, a 64MP night vision camera, and a thermal camera for capturing clear images and videos in various lighting conditions. Like I mentioned earlier, the thermal camera is exclusive to the Armor 27T Pro. The models are backed up by a massive 10,600 mAh battery that provides ample power for extended use, while 33 watts wired and 30 watts wireless charging options ensure quick refueling. The models also supports 5 watts reverse wireless charging. And finally, the Armor 27 series ships with the latest Android 14 and is the stock version. So other features of both devices includes Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, and various navigation systems. So these are the top features and specs of the Armor 27 series. And like I mentioned earlier, if you wish to get these devices for a very affordable price, make sure to use the links in the video description. I'll also add them in the comment section. So what do you think about the Armor 27 series? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.